Hi guys, we are making videos for the guys who want Hyprland and Niri and now Wayfire, right? So Kiro is where we start with this thing, basic xfce omach.wm. Then we installed CachyOS Hyprland, then we installed CachyOS Niri. Now we're going to install CachyOS Wayfire. And then you experiment. You find your way around, basically. So that's the default. We're gonna make this bigger. The only thing to remember is you have already access to CachyOS. Why? Because of our kernel. Okay. If you don't like the resolution, just go to display. Often I don't take the time to go there, just work. Well, just so it looks nice. And then, well, it's a new machine. You just installed it, you keep updating it. Pacman needs databases. Okay, and there are the updates. Now you see there are 4 lines, which is the default. That's what we want out of the box. But Ctrl+Alt+E launches the Tweak tool. There is more to shop. There's more to see. Packages, no. Pacman, click on the button, et voila, we have a new guy, CachyOS. That new guy provides us with a lot of stuff. Let's do a clear. There's also a clean. And then we ask, our focus is Wayfire. All right, but tap, tap, tap. Remember the left tab there, super interesting. What can I install that starts with CachyOS? Never install the Calamares, that goes without saying, but you can install many other things. And I see I still have to do the Niri Noctalia. I'll do that later on, right? Then we have done the Niri settings. The Niri Noctalia is next up after Wayfire. Wayfire settings. So start with what you get for free here. And then once you learn a little bit how Wayfire and all that works, in the end, you need to create something for yourself. Keyboards are different, screen is different. You don't want that color, you want this, you want that, right? And you need to make it your own anyway. Now, this is a message that you need to choose between this one and that one. If you say no, everything stops. So there's only one answer you can give, and that's yes. Okay. Then you get the conflict between CachyOS Alacrity and the Kiro dotfiles. This means we're no longer Kiro. We're going to get rid of some files. Not sure which ones, except it has to do with Alacrity. At least that. Now we're going to get rid of the fish configuration from Kiro, right? You are more and more becoming a merged system with files from A and B. Now, this is their doing, right? I have no control over what's in here, but you can look and see what's in here. And here's Wayfire, there's a bar. Some fonts, got an unlocking mechanism. There's slurp. The drawer is there. And it is true that there are many applications on Wayland, and they're all different names. And once you go into Wayland, you need to learn a lot of information. I think Hyprland was the website where I learned a lot. They have a lot of wiki pages there, and basically if you're serious about going to Wayland, doesn't matter which one, right? Read the wikis, read all the tutorials. If reading is not your thing, don't go there, right? Really need to investigate and dig deep for code changes. Anyway, Wayfire. So yes, we're not going to support this, but hey, Wayfire is available, right? Now, what I would do is have a look always what happens here. Wayfire, it's like so many tiling window managers have the need for a folder with all kind of configs. I don't see Wayfire in here, right? So my reflex is, I probably need to skel. If you don't know what skel is yet, right? Have a look what it says here. But basically, your installation is in the etc skel. I haven't shown that in previous videos, so I'll show it here. File system, etc skel. All right. This is basically what you do. You need to Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and that takes a while. Or just take handpick things. This one we need, that one we need. This one too, and that one too, right? So they put the Wayfire at the top level of config, the .config, not in the folder. Everybody does it differently. You need to figure out how they do it, or how other people on the internet do it, and they share their .files. It has to be the same structure, order, and then you start changing a little bit. Like, first of all, the keyboard and screen layout, things like that, that matter immediately. Now, like I said, this thing is either manual work or you say whatever, right? Yes, it's a virtual machine. What can go wrong, right? We have a different design already of Alacrity. Font is smaller, the colors are different. That's the skel working. Maybe XFC is different too if you reboot, right? We don't know. We did the skel, and whatever is in the etc skel is now over here. We need to get out of this one and go to Wayfire. But before I do that, if you think, oh my God, I will get stuck, you might, you might get stuck. Everybody gets stuck. But if you go for this one, I would start with this one, Wayfire ini, right? And have a look and go through it. Now, often these things are US or something. So the keyboard, and that's what I'm looking for. Or you start just with keyboard, key, no. US, UK, US, lots of us, right? Us. Lots of us's. Let's go through the us's. I bet it's us. No us. Here. Keyboard layout, Belgian, and not Russian. No, thank you very much. Belgian. Save. So that's already taken care of. Control find. Is there something about terminals? Key enter, Ctrl+Alt+T, but let's make this bigger. Can I make this bigger? What's all that? Okay. Yeah, I remember now. They have a binding terminal and another terminal. They split it in two pieces. So that's good. I have Alacrity. Okay. And what was the binding thing? Super key enter, that's something I would try, and Ctrl+T is also something I would try. Okay, let's see if we can log out and log in. Log out and log in. I did not set the settings, change the settings. We changed the settings in Niri in the other video, right? We may have to change it here too. That looks very strange, but right, best of the three actually. We have the bar, another bar, lots of things. It's just a little bit jittery, right? So let's see if we can do something about that. What if we just force everything off? Go in here. No, not yet. I want to go to the details. Can we edit it when it's running? Probably not. Shutdown. Yeah. So in the previous video for Niri, we had to go to to this one and to that one. We open this. Let's do them one by one. Let's see. Right. Reboot. No reboot necessary. First off. Okay. All right. So he says something about OpenGL. Now I know because of the help of my friend Claude, who told me to go to this one. Don't do anything here. Do this. Apply. And this one was just that one. Yeah, I think it's these settings. Let's see. Console and run. Okay, we have already something. Let's see if this is less jittery. Ta-da-ta-da. Okay, no jitters. My mouse is looking a bit weird and I can't click anywhere. So something is wrong with it. You see, I can't get up there. Ah, I'm up there. Oh yeah, because of this little thing here. But actually I can't. So whatever I did, that was not it. Thank God I can go back out over here. And then shut down. Okay. Scale displays with that too. Details. Apply. Normally I would ask Claude again. Right. Let's see if this one. Like I always said in 1,000 videos, trial and error, guys. Trial and error. So the 3D was not necessary for this particular thing. And this is our weather. It does make this look a bit strange. So I would ask my friend time shift here. And I'll tell him, hey, what are the best settings for Wayfire on QEMU? This is nice, right? This feels like a very complete kind of approach, but still. So guys, there will be no support for Wayfire, Hyprland, Niri, and all the other Wayland things, but here you are on Kiro, working just fine. I'll play around with it on real metal, right? But if you want something, well, finished, polished or something, there are dotfiles online. And I believe we had a menu here. Firefox was installed or not? Yes. So we can go to the internet and find out if there are Wayfire downloads, dotfiles, naming, rising. Well, a nice word to search for. En dit is Dutch, guys. Wij gebruiken cookies en gegevens voor het volgende. Google Services leveren en onderhouden. Uitval bijhouden en bescherming bieden tegen spam, fraude en misbruik. So now you heard a little bit of Dutch, Flemish. Wayfire is a 3D Wayland compositor. You don't say. We clicked on 3D. We clicked it off. Wayfire lavender. Oh, lavender. That should be kind of purplish, no? Yes, it is. And we have already those same icons available. So that's okay. And you make it a nice system, right? It's up to you to make your own dot files. It's unique. And start with others, stand on the shoulders of others, I always say. But of course, this is 4 years ago. The code will maybe no longer be valid. So it's up to you to find more sources and say, okay, I'll try I'll try Erik, and yes, Variety will give you some nice wallpapers if you ask it. If it found a collection, then it will be there. Enjoy Wayfire.